Welcome to Prognosis EMR. In this video, we'll walk through the sibling management feature, which allows you to view and manage sibling details within the system. With sibling management, you can see the contact details of a patient's siblings, provided those siblings are also registered in the system. To get started, open your patient's record on the patient registration screen and click the Sibling button. This opens the Sibling Management pop-up. If no siblings have been added yet, you'll see the message, "No record to display." To add a sibling, click the Find icon at the top right of the pop-up. This opens the Patient Info pop-up, which displays a list of patients registered with the clinic. Locate the sibling in the list, select their record, and click OK to add them. You can associate up to 25 siblings, 10 in the first selection, 10 in the second, and 5 in the third. Once siblings are selected, their details appear in the Sibling Management pop-up, including their name, date of birth, address, emergency contact, preferred language, race, ethnicity, and spouse or parent information. Before saving, you can also copy some of the siblings' information into the selected patient's record. To do this, select the radio button before the sibling's name. By default, all available details are checked for copying, but you can clear any you don't want before clicking OK. If you don't wish to copy any information, simply select Do Not Copy Sibling Details. Once saved, the sibling is linked to the patient's record, and the Sibling button is now prefixed with a check mark. If you copy sibling details into the patient record, any previously entered information in those fields will be overwritten. If you reopen the pop-up, you'll see the sibling you just added, listed as a direct sibling. You may also see other siblings marked with a red asterisk. These are indirect siblings, automatically included because they were already associated with the sibling you just added. To delete a direct sibling, click the delete icon next to their name. The icon turns red to confirm the delete action, and the sibling will be removed once you click OK. Indirect siblings cannot be deleted directly, and the delete icon remains disabled. However, removing a direct sibling will also remove its indirect connections. To clarify this, a message at the bottom of the pop-up is displayed. The red asterisk indicates the sibling associated to this patient's sibling cannot be removed from patient sibling list. The Sibling Management pop-up can also be customized to control which siblings are displayed. You can choose to show only direct siblings, or both direct and indirect siblings. When a patient's registration details such as name, address, or ethnicity are updated and saved, an Update Siblings pop-up appears to confirm whether those changes should also be applied to the patient's siblings. On this screen, the patient's siblings are listed on the left, while the patient's updated information is shown on the right. Select the siblings you want to update. A red asterisk before a sibling's name indicates they are directly associated with the patient and cannot be removed. On the right-hand side, only the fields you modified in the patient registration screen are enabled for update. For example, if you changed address and ethnicity, only those options will be available to sync with the sibling's record, while all others remain disabled. Click OK to save your selections, and the sibling records are updated accordingly. You can also access sibling encounter details directly from the patient encounter screen. If siblings are linked, a sibling details icon appears in the patient band next to the patient's name. Clicking this opens a drop-down list of direct and indirect siblings, with indirect siblings marked by an asterisk for easy identification. Selecting a sibling's name from the drop-down takes you to that sibling's current encounter. The patient band color indicates encounter status: blue if the encounter is open, and gray if the encounter is closed. This completes the walkthrough of the Sibling Management feature in Prognosis EMR. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more help, please reach out to the Prognosis support team at support@bismatixinc.com.